Yeah, man, I see. What happened?
Well, so the bike, basically the clutch and the carburetor need to be rebuilt.
Yeah.
And I'm moving.
Okay.
So I need it taken from here to my new house.
Sure.
So then I can get it into the shop.
Right on. Okay, cool. Yeah, we'll get it going. Let me lower the bed down and we'll pull it up. At this house? Yeah. I was gonna say, I usually do a few tows in this neighborhood. I live right down the street.
Yeah, I just sold it.
Nice. Where you moving?
St. Charles, 7 years old.
Oh, okay. Yeah, back her up, because I want to get it like just right in front of the bed there. So if we get it back and then swing wide, go ahead. If we get it back and then swing wide, go ahead. Oh yeah, plus I think them brakes are locked up a little bit. She needs to be ridden,
Not
right?
completely, but yeah, a little bit.
They're just like a car when it's been sitting, same thing. So go ahead, swing wide, and then just stop like 3 feet before the tip of that bed right there. Awesome. Yep, center right there. Go right to the crash bar is really the best way. I usually just pull it right to the crash bar. It's just the best way for me. So
yeah,
they're strong.
Yeah, I've seen half the country on this bike.
Shit, that's awesome.
Get it fixed and I'll see the other half.
Did you ever go to Sturgis?
Not yet. It's on my list.
Oh, I'm going with you, brother, when you're ready.
East.
I'll take it from there.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. You might have to pull the clutch in.
Yeah, I got you.
To roll it, but...
I'm actually one of them bike guys,
Oh, cool.
tow guys that have, used to rock them, but when I had my daughters, that was enough.
Yeah,
But-
I have a son, but he's running me now.
Yeah? You already put your time in, huh?
Yep, I did my job.
Yeah. Heard that.
And it's an 06, so like I had to source all the parts for it. And then find someone to fix it.
Where are you taking it?
There's a guy in O'Fallon that came highly recommended for Japanese bikes.
Yeah? That's good.
He's like old school, like
Yeah, good. I like to meet bike guys.
he won't text, he won't answer.
Oh, he's hella old school. That could be,
He will call you back.
that could be a struggle. Yeah.
But he's kept highly recommended for many people. Like everybody else with Japanese bikes all recommends him.
Well, that's good. Oh yeah,
And his prices are like super fair, from what I hear.
Oh, it's because he's so old school.
Yeah. Right.
Shop been paid off for 10, 15 years probably.
Yeah, he's working out of his garage.
Right. Fine with me.
When we get there, we'll pull into the condos.
All right, so we're gonna get this strapped in. It's pretty easy. I mean, you can see how minimal effort it took me to do this. And then we'll just get one side snugged here, get the other strap on, and then not gonna make this any harder than it needs to be, but like I told you guys before, I mean, I used to flip motorcycles and transport them and buy them and sell them, and so when I got into towing, it was already automatic because I mean it's just something I did for my hobby and to make money. So I love towing them, especially because you can charge a lot more than towing a normal car. beautiful. She's not going anywhere. Go ahead, clean these straps up.
Comfortable and balance is super well. The Key West frame. You know what I mean?
That's dope, bro.
And everybody I was riding with was on Harleys. And I'm riding this. Bro, I'm not shitting you, like at least once a week somebody's bike broke down.
Oh, of course. You know, Harleys are great bikes,
because
but
that's the only place you can get them worked on.
The
like
heads are popping
dealer.
off of them things, and
you know what I mean?
You got to rebuild the heads
and
on
the
them
whole
things.
time I'm riding circles around them on my bike, like, man, what's that like?
Yeah. Oh no, I know. That's why the guys that ride them Gold Wings, them guys don't spend no money on service.
No.
That's what I like. Them,
maybe when I'm like 60, I'll get a Gold Wing.
bro, they're gangster. They got a built-in reverse gear on them and everything.
Oh,
Straight on one of them. Alrighty.
For me, there's like just something about being on.
Oh yeah, bro, for sure.
You know what I mean?
100%. You ever own any sport bikes, or you like just the hogs?
A long time ago, yeah, I had a CBR 600.
Those are cool.
It was fun.
Yeah,
but,
not
I
comfortable.
mean, yeah, there's that. Like once you hit a certain age, comfort is a factor.
Yeah, I heard that. Well, she's all strapped in,
Sweet.
and you could see, I mean, she's
All right, all you gotta do is
whole
slide
bed
down,
shaking.
go,
Yes, sir.
there.
I will see you over there. Hold on to the bike so it don't fall over. Yep, you don't have to make things harder than they have to be. I mean, this is so easy. I guess anything's easy if you know what you're doing and you got the right stuff to do it. And that's all she wrote, my friend.
Sweet.
All right.
So I don't know exactly when, but I'm gonna need a tote again to get it fixed.
Oh, don't worry, bro. Just call me. You got my number.
Do you have
this? Let me get this off here real quick off this soft shackle, and then you're free.
And then, like I can give you cash or whatever in that scenario.
Yeah, yeah.
If that's better for you.
Yeah, whatever works, bro. Like I said, I love towing motorcycles. Though. It's my favorite thing to do, honestly, because just the culture.
Yeah.
Bike people are so cool and chill. You know what I'm saying? I love doing it. All right, so.
It's long and has a great
Yeah, bro. It's typical bike guys, right?